Holy shit though. I don't know what's happening.
Severe weather in the form of a winter storm brought snow and ice to the Midwest and Northeast just in time for Sunday, February 9, 2025. The fast-moving storm hit the U.S. from Saturday to Sunday morning and caused around 100 million Americans to feel its effects. In New York City, 3 inches of snow fell overnight in Central Park. The storm dumped 5 inches of snow on Long Island. While some areas of the U.S. will spend Sunday ridding themselves of the weekend snow, the bad news is that there's more to come. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
Holy shit though. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god.
The storm also made its presence felt in a number of areas of the Midwest, bringing heavy rain and snow to the region. In the Boston area, 3 to 7 inches of snow fell in some areas, so heavy in some places that churches were forced to cancel Sunday services. Meanwhile, in the area between St. Louis and Louisville, Kentucky, will get 1 to 3 inches of snow on Wednesday. It could fall heavier in higher areas.